Congresswoman Madeline Bordallo has retained a Washington law firm that handles white-collar criminal cases, according to her latest quarterly filing with the Federal Election Commission. PNC's Washington correspondent Matt Kay has the story.
The Congresswoman's second quarter filing with the FEC shows a disbursement of close to $5,000 to the law firm of Kaiser Dillon, PLLC. The entry on the filing is misspelled Kaiser Killen, but the address is the same as Kaiser Dillon at 1401 K Street Northwest, Suite 600. The Office of Congressional Ethics, through the House Ethics Committee, announced last week it was investigating the 8-term Congresswoman, but it did not release specifics, though it was forced to disclose the probe publicly once the case was referred to the Ethics Committee itself for further investigation. The FEC filing shows the disbursement of $4,746 on June 22nd of this year occurred about the same time of a congressional ethics probe involving Ms. Bordallo surfaced, but after the June 12th date, the matter was referred to the Ethics Committee. Attempts to reach the Congresswoman's spokesman for comment on the weekend were unsuccessful. Adam Carbolito told PNC News last week the announcement was the result of a politically motivated complaint filed with the Office of Congressional Ethics regarding Congresswoman Bordallo's lodging on Guam, explaining that Ms. Bordallo rents an apartment owned by her sister while leasing her own property due to her extensive travel. That home is in Jonestown, Tamuning, and is being leased to members of the Japan Consulate Office, according to Democratic Party Chair and a former Bordallo Chief of Staff, Joaquin Perez. Perez, interviewed by House administration attorneys, said he'd signed a non-disclosure agreement, but pointed out the questions dealt with Ms. Bordallo's business, including properties on Guam, and pointed to her lodging and living arrangements there. The Ethics Committee says the mere fact of a referral does not itself indicate any violation or reflect any judgment by the Ethics Committee. Still, the case may be more serious based on the referral and the nature of the law firm Ms. Bordallo retained. Two of Kaiser Killen's partners, Matt Kaiser and John Jeffress, are former assistant federal public defenders. Another, Justin Dillon, is a former assistant U.S. attorney, and the fourth, William Petard, has handled white-collar matters for more than a decade. Kaiser Killen's founding partner, Kaiser, was formally sworn in on June 6th as president of the Bar of the District of Columbia, the oldest private voluntary association representing lawyers practicing in the nation's capital. The firm's website boasts a strong track record of trial work, victories on pretrial motions, and negotiations to resolve cases short of a trial. Bordallo is Guam's longest-serving delegate and is the top Democrat on the powerful House Armed Services Readiness Subcommittee. On Capitol Hill, Matt Kay for PNC News.